KCBS News.
It's 9:05 at the Bay Area's news station, KCBS. A look outside, seeing lots of sun over the financial district, but it is breezy out there. Good morning, I'm Eric Thomas.
And I'm Jennifer Hodges.
Here's what's happened.
The National Weather Service has issued a gale warning for the waters off Monterey County until later this afternoon. That warning in effect until 3 p.m. from Pigeon Point to Point Piedras Blancas and 10 to 60 nautical miles offshore. Winds gusting of up to 40 miles per hour could happen, with seas possibly hitting up to 15 feet. Forecasters say hazardous conditions like this could capsize or damage boats and limit visibility. Mariners are being urged to alter plans and stay in port.
Meantime, while the power remains on right now for most customers, PG&E says that power shutoffs could still happen across dozens of counties, including Napa and Sonoma today and tomorrow because of high winds and dry conditions. A PG&E spokesperson says people in the affected counties were told of the possible shutoffs, but for now it's a matter of wait and see. The National Weather Service says winds of up to 25 to 40 miles
Red light camera ahead.
in the north Sacramento Valley and at the coast through Monday, with particularly strong gusts around Bodega Bay, Half Moon Bay, and Point Reyes.
Well, the state of California has a legacy of environmental leadership, and KCBS's Margie Schaefer reports from San Francisco, where the lieutenant governor shared some of the standout goals that others are seeking to achieve. California is the fifth largest economy in the world, and Lieutenant Governor Eleni Kounalakis says others take notice.
Policies we establish here ripple out across our nation and the globe.
California was the first state to set vehicle emission standards to address smog-forming pollutants and greenhouse gas emissions. And when the Trump administration sued to take California's authority to set its own emissions,
They failed. We successfully defended our state's authority and our cap-and-trade program. And when the last president pulled out of the Paris Agreement, California stayed in.
by 2035, all new cars sold in California will be zero-emission vehicles.
New York, Washington, and Massachusetts are set to follow. Companies like the Ford Motor Company and General Motors have joined the effort too.
The remarks were made as Kounalakis welcomed Vice President Kamala Harris to San Francisco earlier this week. Margie Schaefer, KCBS.
San Jose's push to bring free wireless access to every city resident depends on digital literacy. As KCBS's David Welch reports, city libraries are filling the role of technical support for all.
San Jose's public library system refers to it as digital equity. The new role was born out of the pandemic, when many students needed the equipment and knowledge to get online for classes. But now that city leaders are continuing their efforts to bring free wireless connections to every household, San Jose's city librarian Jill Bourne says those efforts have extended to everyone with a library card.
Our teams have put together a whole menu of classes and courses in English, Spanish, and Vietnamese. We have some in Chinese coming.
Librarians in the city not only serve as a source for information on how to get online, they're also in the business of supplying the equipment to do so.
We circulate what we call devices, that a device could be a hotspot, or it could be a tablet, or it could be a Chromebook laptop.
And although Bourne says she's often surprised by the library's new role, she sees how it's a good fit.
I certainly didn't expect our librarians to be working with information technology and public works to put antennas on light poles, but really it's all about the same mission.
In San Jose, David Welch, KCBS.
Just ahead on KCBS.
I'm Alice Works in Oakland. Are you a do-it-yourselfer? You'll want to check this out.
9:08, check out traffic and weather together, starting off with Ted Ramey.
Yeah, it remains very, very quiet out there this morning, Eric, but I will remind everyone that if you do see anything out there, let us know on the KCBS phone force at KCBS AM FM Traffic, or on our Twitter account at KCBS AM FM Traffic, or with the phone force 415-391-KCBS, because right now we are not seeing much of anything. No slowing to be seen. Everything is very, very light, as I can see it on our InstaView cams, which is good news for you if you have somewhere you need to be. Right now, 101, 280 in between the South Bay and San Francisco looking really good. Same story, South Bay and the East Bay with 880 and 680. No slowing to be seen, and all of our major bridges are looking good. Your next update, 918 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
morning's 10 in the KCBS Bay Area weather forecast. Looks like it's going to be a nice day around the Bay today. Plenty of sunshine, breezy conditions, mild temperatures. Highs only reaching in the upper 60s along the coast, upper 60s to low 70s around the Bay. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on All News, 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
KCBS News Time 9:10. Our News Watch continues now. Rogers.
A pedestrian died following a slow-speed collision with a car Saturday afternoon in Petaluma. Police say it happened just before 1 p.m. near the Plaza North Shopping Center on North McDowell. A car exiting the property was turning right when it hit the pedestrian who fell backward. The man hit his head on the pavement. Officers provided medical aid and paramedics took him to Santa Rosa Memorial Hospital, but he died at the hospital. Police have not released the person's name at this time.
In the East Bay, interest in a community resource now has cities across the country and the globe looking to replicate the model. Here's KCBS's Alice Works.
Over 20 years ago, it started as a small space under the Telegraph Avenue Library in Oakland. A few hand tools, eventually some power tools. Designed to help residents with home improvements, all that's needed is a library card. Rain Shaw is the manager of the Oakland Tool Lending Library.
People who come in to sign up, they say, well, oh, I heard about this from my neighbor, or I heard about this from my brother, or so-and-so. We get them signed up, send them out with a couple of tools on their first visit, and they become lifelong members.
There are some high-demand tools that can be checked out for a week.
The demolition hammers, the miter saws, rotary hammers, ladders, hand trucks, things like that.
It's such a popular resource, other libraries are checking out just what Oakland is doing.
We got a visit from Australia. They came out and they toured the premises, and they were planning on doing their own library. We've heard from the Brooklyn Library. I've sent them some information, so it's becoming a thing.
Alice Works, KCBS.
We'll check the KCBS Sports Line in 3 minutes.
Hey listener, welcome to Limu's Karaoke Lounge, where Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance so you only pay for what you need, and the music never stops. Hit it!
There's an emu with a full-time job. His partner's Doug, but Limu's the heartthrob. Grubs and worms, that's what Limu eats. Gotta fuel up to save you money and hit the street.
Only pay for what you need at LibertyMutual.com.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Here at Total Wine and More, you'll love what you find this Halloween.
Thirsty.
Oh, hey Frankenstein. Did you enjoy that Cabernet?
Oh, good. What margarita?
Well, all the villagers are raving about this tequila.
Oh,
And we have it at the lowest price.
economical.
Find what you love what you find, with the totally lowest prices for Halloween. Only at Total Wine and More. Drink responsibly, B21.
Want the very latest in sports? Listen for the Bay Area Chevy Dealers Sports Desk. Visit BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
We run our AC pretty much all summer long. Our electric bills are pretty high.
I'm concerned about the condition of our infrastructure.
Recently in California with the fires, they said that they're going to shut off the power and it could be shut off for longer periods than usual.
I look at our electric bills and they keep going up and up and up. We had to find a solution to our energy bill.
Your home is an ecosystem. Solar power, battery storage, and efficient air conditioning all work together to ensure your house is comfortable, protected, and self-sustaining. Save today and prepare for tomorrow with Semper 360, the all-in-one home energy solution.
The savings are better than what I expected. I said, I want the A-Team. This was the A-Team.
From the beginning to the end, they have been the best.
Declare your energy independence with Semper Solaris, your local and veteran-owned solar, battery, and air contractor. Take advantage of the 30% federal solar tax credit. 0 down, 0 interest, and 0 payments for 12 months. For all offers, call 415-367-0747 or visit SemperSolaris.com. Expires October 31st, 2022. CSLB 978-152.
Find what you love at the Mila Innovation Center at Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill. Select a built-in kitchen appliance package that is right for you, and for a limited time, save up to $1,800 with a purchase of a qualifying Mila appliance package. Visit Friedman's Appliance in Pleasant Hill or at Friedman'sAppliance.com.
Kansas City Steak Company, another AmericanEagle.com success story. Started in 1932 as a family-owned butcher shop, today they're a leading distributor of superior all-American steaks delivered right to your door, ready for the grill and your taste buds. When it came to their website, an average site wouldn't do. They chose AmericanEagle.com to take their website to the next level. With a dramatic increase in competition and a softening market to